What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears on YouTube and the Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. And we are back in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland for Cruisin Ocean City 2022. You guys all know this by now. We do this every year. We come down here. I film all day. I do the editing at night. And I drop a small video every day during this event. So today is Wednesday. We're at the Coffee Beanery. You can see everything behind me. And we're doing the pre-show. And we'll be editing tonight and drop a first little video tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, and there'll be a new video Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. Each video we do a giveaway. Today's giveaway is going to be a Bangin Gears baseball cap. To be eligible to win any gear in any video, you need to like and comment and subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube. You need to like and comment on each video. That puts you in the running to win everything, and all the winners will be announced in a video I put out on June 2nd. Don't forget to check out the Facebook page, the Bangin Gears Garage, where if it's automotive, anything goes. Post your flyers, post your pictures, post anything you want, as long as it's automotive related. Especially if you're down here posting photographs, we'd love for you to share them on our pages, our group as well. So that's it. It's a beautiful day. Hope you're having fun. If you're not here, you're definitely missing out. So that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy the video, and we'll catch you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.